she done nothing to get your attention or validation, but you just saw a cute woman, you decide you gotta mess with her like a fool. Don't do that. Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I want to talk about some of the things that make men come off as a creep. Some of y'all might not even feel like y'all being the creep and everything, but at the same time, if you guys are performing any of these 9 things on this list, you will fall into this category. So be mindful of doing these type of things when interacting with women. So the first thing I got on this list that you shouldn't be doing as a man is staring at women. You know, ain't nothing wrong with really looking at a woman, giving her a smile and looking away and seeing, you know, trying to see if she kind of likes you just by looking at her. But when you like staring and gawking with your mouth all open like this, like, you look like a fool, man. Like, don't do that type of stuff. That stuff right there is a turn off, and it makes women feel weird when you sitting there just acting all strange, gawking at them like you ain't never seen a woman before in your life. The second thing I have on this list that women feel that a lot of creepy men do is that men give women a lot of unwanted contact on social media. What I mean by that is that these dudes will see somebody post a thing, and then a real beautiful woman will comment on there. Then this dude hop right under there talking about, oh, you're the most sweetest woman ever, or you should marry me, or can I get your number, or can I DM you, or I just DM'd you, check your inbox. Man, nobody care about your dang on message, man. You know how many times these weirdos and creepy men message women out the blue? Don't be like them. Like, no, like, dude, to myself, DM and girls and all like that. But the thing is, it's probably better you just meet her in person or at work. I mean, I don't date coworkers like I used to. I'm done with that. But you have a better shot at hitting on your coworker than jumping in a girl's DM over her looking nice. Like, she done nothing to get your attention or validation, but you just saw a cute woman, you decide you gotta mess with her like a fool. Don't do that. The third thing I have on the list that make men look like a creep in the eyes of women is that men give women inappropriate comments. You know, they start saying things that they shouldn't say. Like, I see if you like trying to flirt with a girl and you just met her, you need to be mindful of some of the things you say. Like, some things are meant in some situations, some things shouldn't be said. Like, if you want to flirt with a woman, she need to know that y'all flirting, and she kind of needs to be giving you cues and stuff like that. If you flirt with her, you see that she feels uncomfortable just talking to you, and you still going, it's gonna make her feel uncomfortable, and then at that point the comments will become inappropriate because she doesn't want them. Like, only way that the comments would be appropriate is if, you know, she's engaging and she's allowing this to happen. But if you sitting there just saying this stuff, no positive reciprocation, then more than likely you might want to shut up because you're looking like a creep. The fourth thing on my list for why women, you know, sometimes label men as creeps, because y'all have controlling behaviors. Look, you don't want to become some control freak, you know, because the thing is this: when you're a controlling man or a control freak, this tells me that you are afraid of her having independence and freedom. Like, what do you fear a woman having her own mindset? Why would you fear that? Like, nah, let a woman do what she gotta do and everything. Like, trying to be controlling and say, oh, you can't go outside or you can't wear this 24/7. Like, look, my girl is not about to go out there dressed like no hoochie, you know, but, you know, have some type of respect. You know, that's cool. But if you out there trying to control every little thing about her life, you're gonna turn her off, and then the people that's in her life noticing how you acting, they're gonna look at you and think you weird, they're gonna think you creepy, they're gonna think you controlling, and this is gonna really screw you over in the long run and scare other women from being around you and people not want to be in your presence. So the fifth thing I have on my list for women that what makes them feel like a man is a creep is that you don't know how to accept no. Like, there's a lot of men out here that just keep pursuing women because they might have a little power, or they just think that if you keep chasing the women like they tell us in TV shows and show us in these movies, if you keep falling up on her, more than likely she will fall in love with you. That's dumb logic, man. That's not real life. In real life, like I said before, these get the cuffs put on you. So don't be sitting there trying to pursue a woman that says no. Like, if you do that, you know, you get the big R and put yourself behind bars. If y'all know what the big R is, I guess I kind of made that one up, but, you know, it starts with an R, it ends with an E. If you're sitting there talking about no, I won't accept this as what the final verdict is going to be. Don't sit there trying to force yourself on a woman talking about you won't accept no, because you will regret it. The sixth thing that I have on the list that women don't like that may get you labeled as a creep is that you keep giving her unwanted physical contact. What I mean by that is, say for example, like if I was to put my arm around a woman, or we're like, hey, giving her a hug and everything, and she reciprocates that, she might not do the same thing for like a dude that she don't like, or a dude that she might not find that attractive and stuff like that. So at that point, that content that y'all giving to her becomes an unwanted physical contact. Now you're gonna be looking like you might be a pedophile and stuff like that, a weirdo. Like, this man always touch me, like he be bumping against me with his elbow, or he might pinch me, or he might just like put his hand on my shoulder. I hate when he touch me. You don't want a woman thinking and saying that stuff about you, so you want to be mindful of how much contact is she actually putting on you. If she's not touching you, then your best bet is not to be touching her either. The seventh thing on this list that makes you look kind of creepy is that if you are a man and you are trying to pressure the girl for some booty, trying to get some sex out of her and stuff like that, like, y'all know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of men out here that be trying to sit there and do their most to get to the girl house and get her to come over, and she just putting up all the barriers and resistance and saying, making up the simple excuse to my period, or I can't come out today, or I'm sick, or I haven't ate my food, or I fell asleep. Yeah, like, the reason women be acting like this is because they feel like they're getting pressure into getting in the bed with you, and they don't really want to get in the bed with you. So, in that instance, that's something you might want to tread lightly with, trying to pressure a woman to lay down, because once you start doing this, she's gonna put up even more resistance, more barriers, into the point where she's just gonna already say, look, this ain't working for me, and then chunk the deuces. So let's go on to the next one. Number 8. The 8th reason why women will start labeling you as a creep is because you have became a clingy man. Like I said before in a different video, man, you don't want to be clinging on to a woman like a koala bear, man. That's kind of embarrassing. Like, you're not letting this girl breathe. You're not letting her have her own life and everything. And everywhere she go, you like, glued to her hip, man. It's embarrassing, because this tells me that this man who's all around this woman all the time doesn't have his own life. Like, to be a real man and a good leader, you have to be following your own path, or following a path of a decent, strong man and stuff. And if you always following the path of a woman, you're following the path of a woman, not being a man. For the 9th thing, the last thing on this list that women definitely find as the ultimate creepy thing, the creepiest of the creepiest, is that you are physically stalking her, like popping up on the scene. You sitting there popped up at her house with some roses, then next day you popped up at her job, you all in the window and just staring, looking like all in the glass and stuff. Like, no, don't sit there and just keep popping up everywhere she turn her head. Your butt is there. Like, no, women don't like stalkers. And in these movies aren't labeled as stalkers, but stalkers are really stalkers in real life. So don't become one of those guys. So these have been the 9 reasons why women start labeling men as creep. Leave a like, a comment, or subscribe. This your boy Labz, and I am out.